Two lists, list 1 and list 2, contain the names of books found in two different collections. The librarian wants to create a new list which contains the names of all books found in either list in alphabetical order with duplicate entries removed. For example, if list 1 contains Macbeth, Frankenstein, and Jane Eyre, and list 2 contains Frankenstein, Dracula, Macbeth, and Hamlet, a new list will contain Dracula, Frankenstein, Hamlet, Jane Eyre, and Macbeth. So this is all in alphabetical order, and duplicates like Macbeth and Frankenstein are removed. And everything that's in either list is included except the duplicates. The following procedures are available to create new list. So the sort procedure, which takes a list and sorts list in alphabetical order and returns the new resulting list. Combine, which creates a new list consisting of the entries from list 1 followed by the entries from list 2. So it's just going to get the first list and put the second list right next to it, right behind it. The resulting list is returned. Remove duplicates iterates through a list, only one list. If any two or more entries have the same value, duplicate entries are removed so that any entry appears at most once. The resulting list is removed. So this just removes duplicates. So which of the following code segments will correctly create a new list? So if we wanted to combine two lists, make sure they're alphabetical order, and then remove duplicates, this would be the correct order procedures to follow. So first, you would just have to combine the list. So combine the two lists. So say you have here, the two lists you have are A, B, C, and A, D, and E. So this is list 1 and this is list 2. And you wanted to create a new list that combines both of these in alphabetical order and remove duplicates. So first you would combine them. So combining just puts one list after the other. So after we combine, our list would look like A, B, C, A, D, E. Okay, so now we have one list that contains all the entries from both lists, one after the other. So list 1 first and then list 2 second. Then what we want to do is sort the list. Or actually, you could either sort the list or remove duplicates at the same time, but we can just sort first. So what this would do is sort the list. So then it would put everything in alphabetical order. So A is first, A, obviously A, they're both at the beginning, and then B, then C, then D, then E. So now that the combined list is sorted, we can remove duplicates. So then this would get rid of the A here because A is repeated twice. Everything else is only repeated once. So then our resulting list would be in alphabetical order and be the combination of both lists with the duplicates removed. So let's see which of the answer choices does this. So A says new list is assigned the combination of list 1 and 2. Then we sort that list and then we remove duplicates. Yeah, that's probably correct. So that would result in the correct new list. But let's check the other answers first. So B says to sort list 1. Okay, so we would sort this. Just imagine that instead of being in alphabetical order already, list 1 was like B, A, C. So it would sort this, put this in A, B, C. And then it would sort list 2. Okay, it would sort list 2. And then it would combine the list. Okay, this is a problem because imagine list 1 is sorted and list 2 is sorted. but that doesn't mean that when you combine them, the final list will be sorted. So here, let me use an example. So let's say you had list 1 was D, E, F, and the second list was A, B, C. Because if you sort list 1, it's already sorted, so you wouldn't change anything, and you sort list 2, and it's already sorted, so you wouldn't change anything. When you combine them, combining them just puts them list 1 and then follows with list 2. So this combining them would just give us D, E, F, A, B, C. So the combination is not sorted, even though the individual lists beforehand were sorted, because putting them one after the other would destroy the alphabetical order. Right? So you can't sort individually first and combine afterwards. You have to sort again after you combine. So B is incorrect, because after combine, it just removes duplicates, but it doesn't sort them. So this would be unsorted. Answer choice B. Answer choice C says remove duplicates from list 1 and then remove duplicates from list 2. Now this is a problem because you can remove duplicates from either list, but you have to remove them also after you combine them, because when you combine them, there might be duplicates. Like consider this example up here. BAC has no duplicates. So if you run combine remove duplicates on list 1, it wouldn't remove anything. And the same with list 2. There's no duplicates in here. A, D, E, there's nothing repeating. But then once you combine them, A is repeating. So you would have to remove duplicates after you combine, not before. So C would not ensure that there are no duplicates in the final new list. So after you combine and you just sort, doesn't mean that there's no duplicates left after you combine. So C has duplicates and B was not in alphabetical order. Let's check answer choice D. D says to remove duplicates from list 1 and then sort it, and then remove duplicates from list 2 and then sort it and then combine. Again, this D would be neither sorted nor alphabetical, would neither be in alphabetical order or have no duplicates. Because again, we're removing duplicates and sorting before we combine. So after we combine, there could be new duplicates like A and A in this case. And if we're sorting the list before we combine, then there could be we would have an unsorted final list, because after adding the two lists together doesn't put them in alphabetical order. It just puts them one after the other. So we would have a D, E, F, A, B, C case again. So D is definitely not correct, and A is the correct answer, because they combine and sort. Well, they sort and remove duplicates after combining the two lists.